This is Elcia Holmes with the Real Estate Investing and Freedom Club. If you have ever considered, thought about, or are ready right now to start learning how to make money in real estate investing, entrepreneurship, and or business, you must subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. We will be bringing some phenomenal content on how you can utilize different strategies, different techniques, different knowledge and information that will be very beneficial to you on your journey. So subscribe right now to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Also, connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest at the REI Freedom Club. And be sure to share this information, share this video with your family, your friends, your followers, or anyone you know that could benefit from the information that we're going to be bringing. This is not going to be some information that you're going to want to miss. So like us, subscribe to us, follow us, stay tuned. This is gonna be good. So share it. We will see you all soon.